Hello you lovely people, how are you all doing this beautiful day? I'm Ishna and I'm back with another haul video, and this time it's a haul specific to all the jewelry pieces that I purchased during my Gujarat and Mount Abu trip that I went with my relatives during the Durga Puja time. So if you want to see what all jewelry I have purchased, I have got 2 boxes full of jewelry pieces, all silver jewelries. So if you want to see what all I have purchased and what are my thoughts and how are the price points and everything, you need to stick on till the end of this video because I have got some great jewelry pieces and at great prices. Trust me, you need to check out this video till the end. So without rambling any further, we'll get started, but please spare a moment to subscribe to my channel before we do that and ring the bell icon next to it so that you are notified for all my future uploads. Now let's see what these 2 boxes have in store for us. Before I start, let me quickly give you a background. If you are not aware, if you don't follow me on social media as well, or if you're watching this video for the first time, you won't know probably. I took a break during the Durga Pujas and I went to my relatives in Gujarat. They accompanied us on a trip to Mount Abu. We had a lovely time there. The vacation was much needed because I travelled after 2 years somewhere because all I did was go to my in-laws place, come back, go to my father's house. That's what we did in this whole 2 years due to this COVID situation. So I was extremely happy that I could step out of my house and not just go and come back, go for a trip. So I was excited, and in Mount Abu I discovered some local stores that blew my mind away. They had got very generic jewelry pieces but very nice quality and very nice designs. I mean, that actually triggered my brain to create this video because we buy a lot of things online, forgetting that our local artisans, the local stores are also there who need the boost, the revenue boost and support as well. So this is my small initiative again in my hashtag Vocal for Local series, because I always try to support local businesses. And when I went there, since every location is suffering and recovering from the gap of COVID, which led to a downfall of tourism in every state in India and abroad. So when I went there, I could support them with very small initiative of buying these jewelry pieces, and that made me feel good. So I would, a small message maybe before we get into the video is that if you are into jewelry pieces, please don't purchase everything just online. Support your local vendors and artisans as well. So keeping that thought in mind, let's dive into the first box. I have 2 boxes here to talk about. This one has got lesser amount of jewelry pieces, but the box is bigger because of the size of the jewelry. This has got 3 or 4, I'll come to this later on, and this has got more than that, although it's small. And trust me, this box has got all the jewelry pieces which fall into the category of 80 rupees or 100. Yes, it's that affordable. You get those stuffs in local market as well. Right, so the first piece is something that I'm wearing right now. Just look at this beautiful floral design. Let me take it out so that you can see the intricate work that they have done. Just look at this. This is so pretty. I was taken aback by the effort and I mean the detailing done on this piece. Just look at this. This is one solid piece. It's not dangling or not. It's a steady, strong piece. The metal band, which is the wand for the jewelry piece, is just a slip-on. You don't have anything that is supporting. But trust me, since this is big, it doesn't come off. It stays like this and it dangles in its own way and it looks very pretty, right? So this one retails for rupees 80. All the price points are written right here, so you can see it's 80. And it came in individual pouches like this. I love this initiative. Let me take it out because I have to wear the others as well. So this is the first piece. I love it and didn't expect this to be so good actually. Next up, I have a ring. I purchased some of these for my friends as well. So I won't be wearing those, just to clear it out, because that is gift for them. So I don't want to wear it. This is a ring. This is a very generic ring, oxidized ring. This is how it looks like. This retails for rupees 100 as well. Quite like the quality. It's heavy, so quality has not been compromised in any way. This is the second one. This is how the third piece looks like. I love these dangling parts at the bottom. They sound nice as well. This part is very thick, it's very heavy, so the quality has not been compromised. It's decently having a weight. This is a gift for my friend, that's why I'm not wearing it. I just took it out of the plastic to show you. This one retails for again 80 or 100. The price has been chipped off, so I don't know, but then yeah. That is my third purchase. Next I have another one which is 100. This one is also a gift, so I won't be wearing it, but I'll take it out and show it to you. Just look at it, it's so pretty. Just a different size of hoops intertwined with each other to go and reach the bigger hoop. So whoever wears it, it will look very nice. So this is another piece. These are some pieces, these are, and of course, sorry, you have got stone embedded in each of these layers apart from the bigger layer here. If you see, apart from the bigger transparent layer here, you have got stone work embedded onto each of these. This is actually very pretty. And these are such designs that probably you will get in your local market, in your local cities as well. So if you come across this set of pieces, please lay your hands on this and support your local artisans as well. Then I have another one which is also in the 100 rupees bracket. Again, a gift. I'm not wearing. You might be wondering why I have opened my earrings if I am not wearing these. Sorry, but gifts are not supposed to be worn. I cannot give it away if I am wearing it, right? So I'm just taking it out and showing it to you. It has this beautiful half fan-like thing, and this one has a black stone which is quite similar to the black stone that was there in my finger ring. But yeah, the quality and finishing has not been compromised in these at all. So extremely happy with these purchases. I'm just hoping that my friends whom I'll give those will be happy with it as well. So the last, the last piece in this box is again a gift. Is this beautiful dangler with this round like thing, and it feels like a lot of leaves are intertwined into creating this. Let me hold it like this if that makes you easy to understand. This is how this looks like. The quality, the finish, nothing is at fault. It's beautiful in the same price bracket of 100 rupees. So that finishes box number 1. Moving on to box number 2, I have only 3 to 4 pieces here. First, I have another ring. I have a earring that I purchased from Myntra long back, another stud, and this finger ring justifies with it perfectly. It complements with that. So this is how it looks like. I have exact copy of this as earrings that I have purchased, and I think those are from Voila, and this is the ring that will complement with it perfectly. So when I saw it, my sister saw it actually, my cousin sister, and she pointed it out that Didi, you have this one as your earring, so you can take this, it will match perfectly. So yeah, then I took it. Again, 100 rupees. My earrings cost more than this from Myntra. I purchased those maybe what, 250 or 350, and then the ring, the exact copy of it is available at a local artisan at only 100 rupees. Okay, next up I have 3 more earrings to show you. This is also from the 100 rupees bracket. This is a very simple ring. This is also a gift, so I'm not opening, sorry. I'm not wearing it as well. This has got, I'm opening, not wearing, and that's what I mean. This has got this beautiful bead-like structure which feels amazing to hold in hand as well and wear it. So I chose this because this is very simple and classy for a friend who doesn't like to wear a lot of jewelry. I'm sure that this is something that is going to interest her because it's not too much. So this is another one. Then I have another jewelry piece which you might have already seen in some videos that I have, because I have already worn it and shot videos. If you haven't, then it will come soon. This is how these pieces look like. This has got stone, it's in again silver. I don't know how to show it to you. Yeah, this would be better. So yeah, this is silver against and with stone embellishments on it, and it's a solid one. The quality is very good for this. You have got a big stone in the center, and then you have got smaller stones on top and bottom as well. This is mine, so I will wear it and I'll show it to you. This one retails for anyways rupees 200, and this is how it looks like. It's very beautiful. I like this one quite a lot. So this is how this piece looks like. This retails for 200. It's decently heavy. It's not super light, but it's not that heavy that it will weigh your ears down. It's not that. It's quite comfortable. The wands are a bit thick. That's what I feel. I mean, that is okay. People who regularly wear jewelry pieces, that shouldn't be a problem. But if you have really thin holes for your earrings, then that will be a problem. Nonetheless, I love this piece a lot. If I haven't mentioned, this one retails for rupees 200. I will give you another close view so that you can take a look at it. This is how it looks like. And the last piece for today's haul is probably the most expensive. Yeah, it's the most expensive one. This retails for rupees 360. And just look at this. This was available in green and magenta color, but then black called out to me. It's all stone against a very thin silver background and a line. The leaves like thing are also black stones. Let me wear it and I'll show it to you. It was so pretty. After this actually I had to ask the shopkeeper to stop showing me, because I was purchasing earrings one after the other uncontrollably because they had so beautiful designs. I couldn't control myself. So this is how it looks like. Just see what a dainty piece this is. I mean, I have a wedding invitation coming up. I might wear this to that. It's so pretty. I like it a lot. You can see up close, this is how it looks like. It's so pretty. And on earring and on ears, this is how it looks like. My ears are burning. This is how it looks like when you wear it. It's so classy. It's so delicate and nice. I love it like anything. This is the best piece as per my choice from this haul, so I stored it for the last. So this is how it looks like. Just look at it. It's so dainty. It looks like a flower with a stem and small leaves. Let me wear this for the rest of the video. So I'm actually done with this haul. This one retails for rupees 360. And this one feels like it's every worth your penny. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So yes, with that we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this haul and this message that I had, that please support your local artisans as well, who create amazing pieces of jewelry at very affordable rates. We will definitely do online shopping, but we shouldn't forget our local artisans and vendors as well. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a like, share it with your friends, and comment in the comment section which jewelry piece did you like the most. Since all of these was purchased from local markets in Mount Abu, so I won't be able to share any links of these with you, but I'm sure you will get at least the silver jewelry pieces references in your own city as well. Specifically, if you are in Kolkata, you might get some similar references in Hathibagan, Guriahat and Newmarket. For sure, if you check, you might get some of these. And if you are in Delhi, I guess you have Janpath and Sarojini Nagar. I am not very sure, but then I have seen so many videos of Janpath and Sarojini Nagar having great products. You might get similar jewelry pieces there as well. So you might as well check those places out for similar jewelry pieces. They are wonderful. The quality has not been compromised. I'm saying this again and again because I am very happy with my purchases. I hope my friends would be happy when I share these jewelry pieces with them as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you have stuck around till this end, then I thank you from the bottom of my heart. It means a lot to me. And And if you did, then you might as well subscribe to this channel and join this family. And if you do so, ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.